The 1964 Chevrolet lineup showcased a variety of axle configurations tailored to meet diverse performance and utility needs. A notable feature was the introduction of the 12-bolt rear axle, renowned for its durability and strength. This axle became a staple in Chevrolet's performance vehicles, offering enthusiasts a robust foundation for both street and track applications. In the realm of heavy-duty applications, Chevrolet offered single-speed rear axles with capacities ranging from 11,000 to 17,000 pounds. These axles featured full floating designs, ensuring that the vehicle's weight was supported by the housing rather than the axle shafts themselves. This design choice enhanced durability, especially under substantial loads. Gear ratios for these axles varied, with options like 6.17:1 and 7.20:1, allowing for customization based on desired performance characteristics. For those seeking versatility, Chevrolet's two-speed rear axles were a game-changer. With a rated capacity of 15,000 pounds, these axles provided dual gear ratios, such as 6.408.72:1. This configuration allowed drivers to switch between gear sets, optimizing performance for varying terrains and load conditions. The full-floating planetary reduction design further contributed to the axle's resilience and efficiency. The aftermarket scene has recognized the enduring appeal of the 1964 Chevrolet models, leading to the development of modern upgrades for their axles. For instance, enthusiasts can now acquire forged steel rear axles designed specifically for 1959 to 1964 Chevy Impalas. These reproductions boast induction heat treatment and hardened bearing seats, ensuring longevity and reliability for both restorations and high-performance builds. Additionally, companies like Curry Enterprises have introduced 9-inch housing and axle packages tailored for 1959 to 1964 Chevy B-body vehicles. These packages feature heavy-duty housings and 31-spline performance axles, offering a blend of classic aesthetics and modern performance enhancements. In the realm of axle swaps and modifications, the Dana 60 axle has emerged as a popular choice among Chevrolet enthusiasts. Manufactured by Dana Holding Corporation, the Dana 60 is celebrated for its robustness and adaptability, making it suitable for both front and rear applications in various Chevrolet models. Its full-floating design and substantial load ratings have cemented its status as a go-to option for those seeking enhanced performance and durability. For the 1964 Chevrolet C10 models equipped with the 12-bolt rear axle, modern upgrades have become increasingly accessible. Enthusiasts aiming to convert to late-style wheels can opt for new axles pre-drilled with a 5-lug pattern, facilitating the use of contemporary wheel designs. This modification not only updates the vehicle's appearance but also broadens the selection of compatible wheels, enhancing both style and functionality. In summary, the 1964 Chevrolet axles were emblematic of the brand's commitment to performance, durability, and versatility. From the factory's robust offerings to today's innovative aftermarket solutions, these axles continue to play a pivotal role in the legacy and evolution of Chevrolet vehicles.